Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, December 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How are you today?
Hi David, good morning. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm great. This coffee makes me happy. I take it black, no sugar.
Me too. I like mine with a little milk. You look ready for the day?
Yeah, busy day ahead, sales meeting at 10. Lots of calls to make.
Sounds tough. I have a project update. Deadlines are tight this week.
Ouch. Coffee helps with that? Hey, did you see the news this week?
Yeah, so much going on. Which one?
The one about the oil tanker? Trump says the U.S. seized it off Venezuela.
Right from the Boston Globe, crazy politics.
Totally. U.S. takes the tanker near Venezuela coast. Big move in international trade.
Yes, it shakes up oil markets. Prices might go up.
Exactly. Higher gas prices hurt sales. Customers call and complain.
True, businesses feel it fast. Economy changes quick.
What do you think? More seizures or talks?
Hard to say. Politics surprises us. It affects global deals.
Yeah, like our suppliers' shipping costs rise. Bad for everyone.
Good point. We watch oil news now. Pour more coffee.
Sure, here you go. Hey, another story? Tech one from WSJ?
Tell me, I follow tech news.
Spies use new cutting-edge gear. They mix old tricks with modern tools.
Wow. WSJ reports big impact in secret work?
Yes, like James Bond with computers. Cool stuff.
Haha. Better than our office laptops for sure.
Right? Slow computers kill my sales pitches.
Technology changes spy games fast. Tools matter a lot.
Imagine if we had that gear for projects. Deadlines done quick.
True. Our PM software needs an update soon.
About time. New tech helps work, spies get the best.
Lucky them, it shows innovation wins. What else?
One more. Sad society news from Boston Globe.
What's that?
Family sues state over teen raped in group home.
Oh no, in Springfield. Happened too many times.
Yes, jury decided her case, but full story hidden from them.
Terrible, state agencies failed her. She needed safety. Kids deserve protection. Society must do better.
Right, laws change slow, makes you think.
Yes, we talk work safety here too. Good thing.
Our office is safe. Nice team, no big issues.
Lucky us. Another one, nursing home news.
Genesis auction by Justice Department? Troubled company?
Yes, big problems. Overseas new sale now.
Money issues hurt people. Like bad projects fail.
Exactly, manage better or it crashes.
Lesson for sales, always deliver good service.
Smart thinking, care matters in business too.
Yeah, hey, weekend was relaxing? No, can't say days.
Coffee break flies. Meeting soon for you?
Yes, at 10, lots to prepare. You?
Project call at 11. Tight schedule.
Hang in there, coffee powers us.
Thanks. This chat starts my day good.
Me too. News keeps us sharp.
True. World connects to work.
Oil to sales. Tech to tools, society to care.
Perfect summary. See the links.
Always practical stuff.
Your sales mind shines.
Huh, thanks. Your projects inspire.
Nice. More milk? Machine low?
I refill it later, team player.
Good man. Weather cold today.
Bit chilly, coat helps.
Yes, hot coffee warms us.
Best part of morning, routine rocks.
Agree? Reliable friends here.
Like you, reliable PM.
Flatterer sales star.
Truth, news again, no more time.
Right work calls.
See you later. Have a good day.
You too work well.
Always try. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.